Alright guys, I looked all over YouTube and I couldn't find a video showing you how to take apart the 250 Winchester 250. It's a 22 caliber rifle. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it real quick. It's real simple. Got a little pin right here. Most of the plastic, mine is. Just poke through. I'll be using, I think this is for a tent, something that'll fit down in there. I'm gonna take that pin out, show you guys how it all comes off. Just pull that pin out. Set this over here so I don't lose it. After that, you see it should just drop. You take this, you slide it back. It all comes out the bottom. And there you have it. When you do it, be careful, because this piece here is just kind of sitting on top. You can cock this back. That'll come off. This is your extractor, and that's your firearm pin. What happens is this little piece here hits the back of it. The firearm pin right here makes it go off. But anyways, yeah, I mean, it's real simple, easy to do. If you cock this back while you have it off, it might be a little hard to push it down. I gotta just pull the trigger. Just fine. I've already cleaned mine. Just put it back together. You just want to pull this back, before you can get this back on there and line. See if you guys can see this little guide rail right here. Little piece here. Let's go on these little slide. So yeah. Well, now mine's all out of whack. There you go. This goes underneath of it. I'll set that on top. Yeah. Just like that there. You want to get it toward, it's kind of lined up. Pretty good. Doesn't have to be perfect when you put it in there, but it helps. Just slide it back in there. We'll take your tube out. Makes it a little bit easier. Back in there, you just reverse how you took it out. Just kind of at an angle. You see this little pin here? It lines up with a hole in here. Just push it in there. Squeeze it all together. Take your pin. Put it back in there. Just that simple. It's just fine. There you have it. Hope it helps.